Welcome to the Enterprise University. In the third part of this exercise, we will learn how to install and configure the software prerequisites to install the Enterprise Suite application in the Workstation. From version 5.5 of Enterprise Suite and onwards, the following software requirements are needed. Note that the Enterprise Suite installer includes the prerequisite software components and installs them before proceeding with the actual installation. Note that upon installation of the client on the workstation, you may connect to the remote server over LAN and optionally over the internet via web services. In order for the client to connect to the remote database, a cache database must be created. To do this, we will need to have the following installed on the workstation to house the cache database. In the previous part of this exercise, we learned how to install the SQL Server application and create the server instance. We will check if these components are already installed on the workstation. Run the SQL Server Configuration Manager from the Programs menu or enter MMC in the search box. If SQL Server is installed, we will be able to run the SQL Server Configuration Manager. The SQL Server Configuration Manager is used to manage server instances running on the machine. We can use this utility to start or stop services from running. SQL Server Management Studio Express must be installed to enable configuration of SQL Server settings for server instances installed on the workstation. We will discuss this in detail in the next lesson. If we plan on connecting the workstation to our servers over the internet, we need to make sure that users from workstations have access to the web service folder and the parent folder. To do this, we need to modify the security settings of the Enterprise Suite application folder. We will discuss this in detail in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. In the next lesson, we will learn how to install the client and server components of the Enterprise Suite application.